Flashbang!
Egg.
Okay! Hello, and welcome back to another Indie Brothers video. So, we're gonna be testing the whole watermelon exploding rubber band thing. So a lot of YouTubers have done this before. Everyone deserves the Indie Brothers spin on this project. Also, we have our helmets, so that makes us cool. See, it can withstand a rubber band. See? Cool, right? You can like pre-stretch them, and I guess it might be kind of easier.
The watermelon moves so much. It's so hot. Can you turn the fan back?
Oh yeah, I forgot about the fans. Oh, I'm speedrunning it now. I'm in the groove now.
Oh, X Games mode.
I'm in my jam.
Man in the middle.
This man in the mirror.
Oh yeah. I stole some watermelon from, like, there was a giveaway thing in school, but only the first graders were gonna get the watermelon.
Oh, here goes. Oh no, the juice!
No, wait. Oh, I made a rubber ball. Really good. The one I took from the little kids in my school was like sweeter.
Oh, it's on my shoelace. Here, catch. Flashbang. We got another watermelon because we're not like weird, and we got way more rubber bands. Okay, I actually washed my helmet and it shrunk a lot in the washer.
Really? No.
Okay, so all the rubber bands we got are like way too big, so we need to fold them in half. It's okay if we shoot each other because it's for the content.
Man.
No.
Cucumber!
Yeah, these are much stronger than those weak nerd rubber bands we used the last time.
We've got much more experience and knowledge now on how to do this.
We gonna rock down to Electric Avenue, and then we take it higher. Oh, we got a seeded watermelon. We got a plebeian watermelon.
It's a boy! Does it taste good?
No, it's very mealy and like bad.
The world is all about balance.
This is my last resort!
Yeah! Suffocation! No breathing!
So inside this, there's one of those like little seals, like the foil over the lid. So it's gonna build up a lot more pressure.
Under pressure.
Dun, 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 dun.
We're actually Andrew Tate's sons. Oh, why the rubber bands give off this weird, like, sticky dust?
Latex. This is gonna be like a pressure washer, but with mayonnaise.
Ow! Ah! Ow! We don't need gravity. I'm on Trisha Paytas' side.
Get pranked.
Christopher Columbus? You're not smart.
Yeah, dude. I speak Spanish. Donde es la biblioteca, man? Taco Bell.
Let me get a Quattro's Pack of Tacos. My last name is Burrito. I'm so sorry. Ah! Bop it. Ow.
Bop it. Twist it.
Pull
it. You.
I got a bullet. Whoa. That flew like Quattro's meters, man.
Let's just take this off and see how it's doing.
Whoa.
Yeah, dog, I love mayonnaise sandwiches, dude. Dude, you moved the thing. This is getting kind of intense now. Like this could go off at any second. Dude, do a kickflip, man. Do a backflip. Dude.
so bad
why did we get whole wheat?
Because it was the cheapest from.
Dude, this is gonna be sick, dog.